Ron Paul, membre de l'Scottish National Party, que treballa a l'oficina de premsa del mateix partit. I, a més, treballa al Parlament. Paul, ens pots explicar en què consisteix el projecte i l'activitat del Young Scots for Independence?
Our main work is to support the Scottish National Party. We do that through canvassing for them, organising work days, and really encouraging young people to join the SNP and to help support us in our quest for independence.
A Escòcia, el País Basc, Catalunya i Irlanda estem assistint a l'emergència de tot un seguit de nacions europees que, després de segles de dominació, aspiren amb cada cop més fermesa a la plena sobirania. Com es planteja a casa vostra el procés d'alliberament nacional? En quin moment us trobeu?
Well, it's certainly taken quite a lot of step forward since 2007 when we won elections for the first time. That was the first time that any pro-independence party had won an election in Scotland and had gained any sort of real power. So it's definitely took a step forward. I mean, I think that we still have a bit to go, but I'm certainly hopeful that in the next 10 years Scotland will be independent.
De fet, l'Scottish National Party governa Escòcia des del 2001, en què el partit va guanyar les eleccions autonòmiques escoceses, tot prometent, entre d'altres coses, l'organització d'un referèndum sobre la independència. Tanmateix, l'Scottish National Party i els seus aliats, Scottish Green Party, no tenen majoria absoluta i els altres partits en presència al Parlament s'oposen a la idea d'un referèndum sobre la independència. Per tant, què passarà? Què fareu finalment amb aquest projecte de referèndum? I què passarà si el projecte finalment és rebutjat per la majoria actual del Parlament?
Yes, well, we're very confident that the weight of our argument will win the day and the Parliament will vote through. I think it will be very, very difficult for the Scottish Labour Party, Scottish Conservatives and the Scottish Liberal Democrats to tell the people of Scotland that they're not allowed to have a say on their future. Despite the fact independence isn't that high in the opinion polls, it hasn't really been discussed and no campaign has really been fought on it. On the other hand though, the opinion polls say a vast majority of people support the idea of a referendum to have the question. We're still a few months away, but if the unionist parties don't support it in the Parliament, then I think what will happen is that the people of Scotland will be very, very angry about it all, and that'll give us more scope, and we'll push for it again in the elections next year.
Recentment, com ja sabem, l'Estatut d'Autonomia ha estat retallat en matèries vitals com la potestat del govern català per convocar referèndums i el reconeixement nacional de Catalunya. Com a observadors externs que sou, què n'opineu d'això?
Well, it did make news coverage in Scotland. We did hear about what the Supreme Court's ruling were, and to us it just seems ridiculous. I mean, it's quite clear to us that Catalonia is a country, and it is a nation and a state in waiting. We don't understand the thought process of the Supreme Court of Spain. It just seems ridiculous to us.
Un altre fenomen polític català, del que segurament estareu al cas, és l'organització de consultes populars sobre la independència. De fet, més de 400 han estat convocades a municipis catalans i, entre d'altres, a la pròpia capital, a Barcelona. Com es veu aquest procés al vostre país?
Well, to us, it just looked absolutely fantastic. It'd be very difficult for us to do something similar in Scotland, just because of the way it works. But from what we've seen, and the result of the referendum is very, very encouraging. And I fingers crossed it will lead to Catalan independence very soon.
Young Scots for Independence manteniu estretes relacions amb la GERC. Més enllà del fet obvi del comparatiu ideari, quines lliçons creus que ambdues organitzacions podrien extreure l'una de l'altra?
From what I can see about JERC is that it seems very, very professional and very, very well organised. I mean, our Campada Jove blows our mind. It's so big and it's very, very encouraging for us to see how many young people support independence for Catalonia. It's something that we wish to aspire to, so I think that we can definitely learn from you in that aspects, and as well from financially, you guys seem a lot better run. And you organise events which are absolutely massive and grab massive media attention. So we're hoping to take that from you.
Doncs sou convidats especials a l'acampada jove, no? Ara esteu aquí per l'acampada jove. Us agrada?
Oh, it's absolutely fantastic. We've had a brilliant time so far. Fingers crossed the next 2 days are going to be just as good. If the weather gets nice again, then it'll be fantastic. But it's absolutely brilliant to see a youth organisation of a political party organise an event as big as this, and everybody seems to be having a great time. I haven't had anybody complain. Everybody's been absolutely fantastic and very welcoming to us.
Doncs moltes gràcies, Pol. Gràcies per estar aquí amb nosaltres i ens veiem per aquí a l'acampada. Passa-t'ho molt bé.
Gràcies.